You've got your Pinterest account all set up and you're ready to start pinning. Oh, what's next? Well, if you are watching this video series here at Smart Creative Social, I'm taking you through for the very beginning of how to start your Pinterest account all the way through to some ideas on how to pin. Now, I have a course called Smart Pin Pro where I show you how to do all the super duper expert stuff, and you can find a link to sign up for that down in the description of this video. I have all kinds of awesome resources for you and years of testing on different Pinterest accounts to see what works, what doesn't work, and how to create a strategy for your own unique brand. But today, what I'm going to show you is how to start setting up boards and adding pins to your Pinterest account. So today's video is all about how do you create a board. Now I'm going to have more videos showing you how to make a board secret, how to archive a board. Like maybe you made a board and you're like, oh, I don't want that, but you don't want to delete stuff. So how do we like show it, not show it to everybody, but basically hide it? Well, that's archiving. So I will show you how to do that too in a future video. But today I'm going to show you how to set up your boards. So let's go ahead and get started. So to set up your boards, when you go to your Pinterest profile, you've got your overview. It shows you all your latest stuff, but this account's brand new, so nothing's happening yet. So we want to go over to our boards and we want to click on Create Board. You just use the plus sign and you just create a name for your board. So I'm going to call this one Meat Tamales. Actually, I think I'm going to call this one Chicken Tamales. All right, so I can make it secret here if I want, but I don't want to make it secret. So I made the board and it's going to give me some ideas of things to pin to that board. I also want to go ahead and make a description. So when you first create the board, it just lets you put the title, but we can give people more information about what's on the board by making a description. Okay, so I've created a description and now I need to say what kind of board it is. It is food and drink. I'm not going to make it secret. I can also add other people to the board. Like let's say that I wanted to add a collaborator or a friend who's also into tamales to my board. I could do that right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click Save. Now my board is all set up and it's ready for me to start adding pins to it. So I can either add pins from these ideas that Pinterest has, but I want to go and do a search. So I'm going to start searching on Pinterest for the ideas to add to my board. Now I want to make sure that I add a few different pins here so it's not just like this blank, boring board. So I'm going to show you how to do that in the next video. To watch the next video in this series, click on the video that's playing here on the end screen of this video. Like right now, it's playing right there. Just click it. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button so you get notified every time we come out with a new video here at Smart Creative Social. And I would also appreciate that if you think this was helpful, that you share it with a friend. Tag your friends, hit that share button, share this on social media. If this was helpful to you, I'm sure that you have a friend who's in business that would love to know more about how to use Pinterest, or maybe even just a friend that is looking for ideas online, and Pinterest, that's the place to go to discover new ideas to try. So thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!